Alright guys, so this is the second video on this 2013 Ford Escape. Like I mentioned on the first video, that this vehicle came with two problems, and one of them was the remote start function would not work with the key fob. So there's four possibilities that I know of that will prevent the remote start from not working. Number one, it's either your remote start system has gone bad, perhaps I guess the module. Number two, there's probably a check engine light on your dash. Number three, probably there's a glitch in the system where you will have to go into the remote start settings and do a factory reset. And number four, perhaps under the settings for the remote start, the setting option has been unchecked. So for this vehicle, what happened is that there was actually a check engine light stored. So as long as there's a check engine light, the vehicle will disable the remote start option. So it will prevent it from working. So the fix was to pretty much erase the codes, and then the system actually worked again. So to show you the symptoms of a non-operative remote start, I have gone into the remote start settings and I have disabled the system to show you guys what's the system when the vehicle disables the remote start option on your key fob. So this is pretty much what happens is when you hit the lock button once, you hit the 2X, your car will lock the doors. It's gonna blink your blinkers about two times. It's gonna make a beep sound, and then it's gonna honk. It seems that your car wants to start, but it doesn't. So I'm gonna do one more time. Lock twice. So that's pretty much the symptom there. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys, how to enable the remote start back into the system. Hit the start button once. So for example, if your vehicle doesn't have a check engine light on, these are the two options that you could perform to see if it's gonna fix your problem. All right, so the first one is to locate your left side keypad. There's two of them, your right and left. Then hit the left arrow once. Then select the settings, hit OK. Then scroll down until you find convenience. Hit OK. Go into the remote start option. Then scroll down. So as soon as you find the restore default, that's gonna be one option, to hit the restore default to see if that's gonna fix your problem. Sometimes there's a glitch in the system, so by doing a restore default, there's a chance that it's gonna fix your problem. The other one is to check the system. If this option is not checked, it's gonna disable your remote start. So what you got to do is hit OK to check it. So that's gonna enable your remote start to work once again. So I'm gonna exit out. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I'm gonna hit the start button once to turn the system down. I'm gonna open the door to pretend that I'm actually exiting the vehicle. I'm gonna close it. Alright, so I'm gonna perform the remote start on the key fob. I'm gonna hit the lock button once. I hit twice. So there you go. So once you perform that, it's gonna prompt you on the dash. It says remote start active. So that's gonna enable you to pretty much, warm up your vehicle. So now to deactivate the remote start, for you to be able to drive the vehicle, hit the start button once, and that's gonna deactivate the remote start. So I'm gonna press it. Your vehicle stays on, and now you're ready to pretty much drive your vehicle. So those are the 4 possibilities. Like I said, potential bad module for the remote start system. Number 2, perhaps check engine light on. 3, a glitch in the system, in which you have to do a restore fault in the system once again to factory settings. And then number 4, perhaps your system, it's unchecked. So that's the way to pretty much check to see. So pretty much, one out of the 4 options is going to be your symptom. Alright guys, so hopefully this video helps. It's Eli the OBD Tech. Subscribe if you like.